good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm coming back to you guys with another unboxing slash try on haul. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. I think I have an idea of where it's from, but I decided to come on here and just unbox this with you guys. But before we go ahead and hop into that, I do want to say, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Nikea. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, go subscribe, because if you click out of this video, you might lose access to the channel. And if you lose access to the channel, then you lose access to the information, and we don't want that here on this channel. You'll find wig reviews, story times, makeup tutorials. I just started doing clothing hauls, and then I also try to share with you guys some different ways that you can set up some passive income so that you can be on the road to becoming a boss ass bitch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop straight into the unboxing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this. I don't really have scissors, but hopefully I can get it open. Super excited. Okay, so I'm trying to hide the box because it has my information all on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull the items out. So, ooh, there's more. Ah, what do we got? Y'all, hold on. They completely loaded this box. First of all, shout out to you guys, because I was not expecting this much stuff. So you guys, this is from a company called Lavish Apparel. I came across them on my Facebook as well. I seen their ads across my feed. It looks like they sent me some hoodies, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. First and foremost, wait, let me take it out the bag so y'all can get a closer view. Okay, oh, y'all, it's not even just a hoodie, it's a whole tracksuit. All right, this is so cute. So this is what the hoodie looks like, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys, but I want you to see their label. Okay. And on the back is this really cute like crisscross design with the back out. It also comes with these I want to say joggers, but these track pants as well. So the pants have the same crisscross design going down the side of the legs, and then at the very bottom, this is how it looks. And then on the back, it does come with pockets. Let's move on to the next item in the bag before I go ahead and try everything on. It looks like they sent me another tracksuit. This is the black. Oh, I like the black one. Okay, hold up. Okay, so this is the black one, and this is what the logo looks like on the front. It looks like there's two L's and then like a B in the middle for Lavish Apparel. That's really cute, really nice. And so on the back, it looks just like the red one. It comes in this crisscross design, and then the pants, same thing. It has the label on the front, and let me see, does it have pockets in the front? No, it doesn't have pockets in the front, but it does come with pockets in the back, and the same design going down the pant with the crisscross action and giving a little, you know, show on the leg. So the next item that was in the bag is this. It looks like a top. Let me go ahead and open it up. They done sent your girl this is like a tank top, and it has their logo on it right there. And it's kind of like a, what is it called? Like when you wear like track stuff, it's kind of like that material. And then it comes with these light blue shorts with their logo on the shorts as well. Really cute. And this is the back. So the next item that's in the bag, hold up, because this, let me open it up first, because it kind of looked like boy shorts, but I don't know, we're gonna see. It's this really cute sports bra with their logo all over. At the bottom it says Lavish Apparel. Really nice. And then it comes with bottoms as well. So these are the bottoms. They're kind of like these booty shorts, and it's so crazy because I was just saying, like, I don't have any shorts at all. So thank you guys so much for sending me these pieces. Next item that they sent me, which really stuck out to me when I just opened the box, is this really nice leather fitted hat. Or what, fitted hat? No, it's not a fitted hat. It's this really nice leather snapback. As you guys can see, it has their logo print all over it. Really, really nice. And then in the back, if you want to wear your ponytail out or whatever. It comes with the opening, the snap, so you can adjust it, and then on the inside it's red, so that's really nice. It's giving Christian Louboutin with it. So let's see if it'll fit over. Hold on, let me adjust the damn back, see if it fits now. And it matched the shirt that I got on. How did they know? This is really, really cute. I love this. I love this because I can pair this with some leather boots or a leather jacket, you know, when I want to look real bikerish. All right, so the next item that I got is this really cute handbag. You can never have enough purses, so I'm super excited for this. And I love the color. It kind of matches my shirt as well. The handbag looks like very bright. It's definitely giving summer vibe. It does come with the handles for you to carry it like a handbag, and then it also have the strap inside just in case you want to like throw it over your shoulder. And this is what it looks like inside. So there is a lot of space. This is the back, and the purse itself is not flimsy. It's very sturdy. It comes with a zipper, little cute gold accents on it. So that was everything that they sent. I'm all for supporting. I believe this is a black owned company if I'm not mistaken, and thank you guys so much for sending me these items. They are a luxury streetwear, lifestyle, and fashion clothing brand. Check them out. I'm going to leave the links down below. The items are definitely good quality. The shipping was fast. The communication with the sender was great. I had no issues at all. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this haul. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in to watch. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Go subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. So I was able to try on one of the tracksuits for you guys, and I really love this color. What I will say is I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a crop top, but it does come up a little high on me. The material, it's not really stretchy, but if I had to guess, I would say it's 100% cotton maybe. Not only do they sell things for women, they do have clothing for men as well. So if you're into that streetwear look, then definitely go check them out. Again, I'm gonna leave the link, their Instagram and also their Facebook down below.